Have you ever suddenly gotten hiccups out of nowhere, over and over again? You might think it's just a small throat problem, but it's more complex than that. The main body part behind hiccups is the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs that controls your breathing. As something irritates this muscle, like eating too quickly, swallowing air, or drinking soda, it suddenly contracts without control. Then, right after that contraction, your vocal cords snap shut, and this causes that sharp hic sound. As this reflex repeats again and again, the signal travels between your brain and diaphragm in a rapid loop, creating continuous hiccups that seem to come out of nowhere under the surface.